create a virtual desktop. Picture this. You're buried in research or deep in a project when suddenly a new task drops out of nowhere. Instead of opening more tabs and creating digital chaos, just make a clean workspace out of thin air. Press Windows plus Control plus D or Control plus up arrow if you're on a Mac. Boom, a brand new, empty desktop. Your original work stays safe on the first one, while the second is your fresh zone for whatever's next. When you're done, close it with Windows plus Control plus F4. Mac users, hold Option and click the little X above your desktop preview. It's like teleporting between parallel universes, but for productivity. Switch between desktops. So now you've got multiple desktops open, one for work, one for that secret side project, maybe one just for memes. But how do you jump between them like a pro? Easy. Press Windows plus Control plus left or right arrow to glide between your open desktops. Mac users, use Control plus arrow keys. It feels like flipping through tabs in your own brain. No need to minimize or rearrange windows, just instant, seamless switching. And when that second desktop's no longer needed, close it with Windows plus Control plus F4, or on Mac, hit Option and click the X above it. It's clean, fast, and makes multitasking actually feel kinda cool. Return to desktop. Your screen's jammed with open apps, windows everywhere. You can't even see your desktop anymore. Most people start dragging and closing like it's 2004, but not you. Hit Windows plus M to instantly minimize everything and reveal your desktop. Want just a sneak peek? Press Windows plus comma. It lets you glance at your desktop without losing your open windows. Mac users, try Command plus F3 for the same magic. Perfect for checking widgets, grabbing a quick file, or, let's be honest, taking a deep breath while staring at your wallpaper of peaceful mountains or mischievous cats. Because sometimes, clarity is just one shortcut away. Open an app from the taskbar. You ever notice how pros open apps without even moving their mouse? They're not psychic, they've just mastered this shortcut. Pin your favorite apps to the taskbar, then press Windows plus a number key. Each number represents an app left to right. Windows plus 1 might open Chrome. Windows plus 2 could launch Spotify. Windows plus 3, your editor. It's instant, predictable, and smooth. No scrolling, no searching, no wasting seconds you'll never get back. Mac users, you've got Spotlight, Command plus space, type your app's name, hit enter. Same speed, same mastery. The keyboard isn't just for typing, it's your launchpad. Split screen between two apps. Here's one that'll make you look like a multitasking wizard. Ever wish you could work in two apps side by side, research on one, notes on the other, without dragging and resizing windows forever? Try this. Open the first app, press Windows plus left arrow, then open the second one and hit Windows plus right arrow. Boom, instant split screen, perfectly balanced. Need to compare data, copy notes, or keep an eye on a video tutorial while you work? This is your go-to. Mac users, hover over the green button in any window and select Tile Window to left or right of screen. Clean, sharp, efficient. It's like giving your workflow a second pair of eyes. Switch apps? Alright, time for one of the most famous shortcuts of all time, and once you master it, you'll never use your mouse the same way again. Press Alt plus Tab on Windows or Command plus Tab on Mac. Boom, every open program appears like a deck of cards. Hold the keys, tap Tab, and flip through them until you land on what you need. Want an overview of everything you're running? Try Windows plus Tab, it opens Task View, your personal control center. Mac's version? Mission Control. Once you get used to it, switching between apps feels less like work and more like teleportation, program management, and troubleshooting. Every computer user's nightmare. An app freezes mid-project. The mouse won't click, nothing responds, and panic sets in. Here's how pros handle it. No restart, no meltdown. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. There it is, a list of every running program. Select the frozen one, click End Task, and boom, back in business. Mac users, same move, Command plus Option plus Escape. You'll see the Force Quit window, close the stubborn app, keep the rest alive. Losing one program is nothing. Losing everything? That's amateur hour. Open File Explorer. This one's simple but feels like a secret handshake. Need to find a file fast? Don't waste time clicking through menus. Just press Windows plus E and your File Explorer pops up instantly. Every drive, folder, and shortcut right at your fingertips. For Mac users, your version is Finder, same deal, same power. It's the shortcut you'll end up using every single day, even if you didn't plan to. Because when your files are one keystroke away, you spend less time searching and more time doing. Use the magnifier. Ever squint at your screen trying to read tiny text or spot a small detail in an image? There's a shortcut for that, and it turns your screen into a digital microscope. Press Windows++ to zoom in and Windows+- to zoom back out. For Mac users, hit Option plus Command++, same effect. It's perfect for reading fine print, editing graphics, or just pretending you're in a spy movie analyzing pixelated evidence. Zoom in, zoom out. Done. Sometimes clarity is literally just one keystroke away. Take screenshots. See something on your screen worth saving? A meme? A chart? A moment of digital glory? Forget using your phone camera, there's a faster way. On Windows, hit Windows+ Print Screen. That snapshot is instantly saved to your Pictures folder. No dragging, no naming, no drama. Mac users, use Command+Shift+3 for a full screen capture or Command+Shift+4 to choose a specific area. You can even grab just one window. It's clean, quick, and professional. Because screenshots shouldn't take longer than the thing you're trying to save. Use Action Center. Need to toggle Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or focus mode without diving through settings? The Action Center is your shortcut to everything essential. Press Windows+A and it appears instantly. Notifications on the left, quick controls on the right. Adjust brightness, connect a device, or flip on Do Not Disturb in seconds. Mac users, click the Notification Center in the top right corner, same speed, same simplicity. When you learn to use this, you don't just react faster, your computer starts feeling like an extension of your brain. Access settings. Sometimes you need to dive deeper, maybe change your display, tweak sound levels, or manage your network. Instead of clicking through endless menus, just press Windows+I. Instantly, your full settings panel opens, clean, simple, and ready for action. Every control you need, right at your fingertips. Mac users, just open System Settings from the Apple menu, one click, same power. It's like opening the command center of your entire system, only faster. Talk to Cortana or Siri. Your computer isn't just a tool, it comes with its own personal assistant. Need to set a reminder, launch an app, or ask a random question? Don't type, just talk. On Windows, press Windows+C to summon Cortana. On Mac, press Command+Space to call Siri. They can open files, search the web, or even tell you a joke when you've been coding too long. It's fast, hands-free, and surprisingly powerful. Because sometimes the fastest shortcut is your voice. Use the Windows game bar. You've been working hard, now it's time to play. The Windows game bar isn't just for gamers, it's for anyone who wants to capture or record their screen fast. Press Windows+G to open it. Want to start recording right away? Hit Windows+Alt+R. Your gameplay, tutorial, or epic work moment saved instantly. Mac users, you've got Shift+Command+5, the shortcut for screen recording through QuickTime. Whether it's an achievement, a reaction, or a tutorial moment, this one helps you save the win. Lock down your PC. Sometimes you need to step away, coffee break, meeting, or someone just walked into the room, but you don't want curious eyes snooping through your stuff. Lock it instantly. Press Windows+L and your computer is secured in a heartbeat. Mac users, hit Shift+Command+Q. No need to shut down, no lost progress, just peace of mind. Because your files, projects, and those 47 open tabs deserve a little privacy. Now that's how you protect your digital kingdom.